Sometimes you don't want the video sitting on the page. You want it to pop. That's the pop-up panel. One switch, Enable Popup, turns this player into a lightbox. This Watch Video button is the plugin's own pop-up trigger. It drops onto the page for you, and you style it like any button. We're going with the brand purple. And notice the canvas. The player now previews inside its dark pop-up frame. The wiring lives in the pop-up panel. Trigger type is set to button, so the plugin's trigger does the work. Already have a button of your own on the page? Flip Use Existing button and connect it with its class or ID instead. That's the whole setup. Update the page, and let's see it live. On the front end, the page stays clean, just your button. One click and the video opens in a distraction-free overlay. Perfect for landing pages.